Good day, traders. My name is Mike Seidel. I'm Tickmill analyst, private trader, and financial market coach. I trade the market since late 1990s, and I would like to bring you in the comfortable situation that you can work as easy with the MetaTrader 5 here at Tickmill. And to get in touch with the software, it's quite easy. Just click on the website from Tickmill. I will show you this on my own monitor just to see this or to do this in a stage to get all the informations. Click on tickmill.co.uk and you have the website from Tickmill, and you find all the information that you need for your trading. For example, all the markets, FOREX, stock indices and oil, precious metals, bond and cryptocurrencies. And you find also the informations about the platform, the trading platforms, WebTrader, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, of course. And the MetaTrader 5 is the latest software from MetaTrader with some important key features. You see this here on the website. For you now at the situation where we are now, it's very interesting for you. How can you get the software on your computer? Just available on, you can see this here. It's for Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, or the WebTrader, and just select whatever you need, download it on your computer, and then install it on the computer. And the next one that you need is for sure you need an account. I will show you how you can do this directly from the MetaTrader 5, or you just select it here on the platform, a demo account, or create a real trading account. And then when you have downloaded the software, just click on to open it, and the window will be open here in this, and you see the software over here. And when you start the software the first time, you see a window with an account opening process, or to enter your account number and your password. And if you would like to do this manually, just click on here, not open an account. When you have no account at the moment, just click open an account, and you can open the account for Tickmill. The next one, when you have your account, you should log into your trading account, and you need your account number and the password, and Tickmill will send you all the informations that you need, and you can get started with all the symbols that we have here in the trading opportunities. And I will show you now how you can work easy with the MetaTrader 5, how you can get started, place orders, change orders, and whatever you would like to do. It's just we will see this in the next minutes over here. So let's start with the window here, with the menu. You see here the file field. It's the first menu, and it's self-explaining. New chart means what it is. You can open a new chart. You can for example use one of these over here, or you click on FOREX, and for example what do we have here? Euro, Great Britain, Pound, for example. And then you see here the Euro, Great Britain, Pound chart. It's quite easy to open it, and we will come back to the charts in a few minutes. Just let me work over here with the file menu too. You have some interesting or important things. The next one, what we have here is the profiles. Profiles are a profile is a saved status here in the software, and profile is how you can make your own setup. For example, what we have here in this stage, for example, you have a chart or window with 4 different charts. And you would like to say, all right, okay, this one is my overview, for example, with these 4 charts, and I would like to save it here. Just click on profiles, save as, and you can type the name, whatever you want to do. Test with 4 charts, for example, and then click on OK. And then you are able to select between different charts. That means the profiles you have here, you have, for example, you see this here, test with 4 charts, or you click on the euro. Now you see you have 4 channel with euro, only the euro in all of these charts, or you click, for example, back to the latest version that we have here, test with 4 charts, and now you have the 4 charts that we had before: euro, Swiss franc, Bitcoin on a 4 hourly. Here is the Bitcoin in a weekly, and the Australian dollar, the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar in the hourly chart. This is quite easy to change in the profiles, and brings you in the situation that you can just switch between the profiles, whatever you need to do in your trading. Just select the profile and that's done. Next one is that you can open the data folder. Just a little hint in here, I would suggest you to make a copy of the data folder, because of it's quite important when your system needs to be complete new installed. This data folder will be deleted too, and when you have a backup, you can always replace it, and then you can install the MetaTrader new and just paste and copy the data from the data folder back up into the new data folder, and then you have the same fields, the same settings that you made before. That's it here from that side, from the file menu. The next one is the view languages, self-explaining. You can select the language whatever you want. The next here is the toolbar. The toolbar is that field over here. Just let me click in the situation here. That's it. This one over here, this is your toolbar over here. This one, all these fields here are the toolbar, and the toolbar is needed to make some selections. For example, here in a chart, if you would like to do switch the time frames, you can choose between 1 minute and 1 month, and you just click on it, and you can switch over between all the different time frames. You can choose between cursor or crosshair. Here you see the differences. You can make the selections in the drawing tools, draw some vertical lines or some horizontal lines, or here you can make a channel. You see, whatever you would like to do, you can work with it and place the channel wherever you want to do this. Make your own setups for you in the drawing tools, and you can see whatever you would like to need for your trading. You can use the drawing tools. Over here you have a text tool where you can just place anything like test, trade, or whatever, put it in, push enter, and then you have it over here. And if you like to make something different, for example, select another color or whatever, just make sure that the properties you would like to change is selected. That means you see here the white points. Just, this is important, double click to unlock it, or double click to mark it, and then right mouse click on the properties, and you can, for example, make some new colors. Just change the color, maybe the thickness of the line, make it bigger or smaller, however, whatever you prefer, and then click on OK, and you have it. And if you would like to remove it, you can even click on the right mouse and delete only the object, or everything what is marked, delete all arrows, or delete all selected. And when you click to delete all selected, everything from your chart will be removed. That's what you have here in this field. And the last one over here is the situation. You have the thumbs up, arrows, whatever you need to make some drawings in your chart. The next field is the status bar and the chart bar. The status bar is this one over here. You see this one, give me a second. Status bar, just click it on and off. And the status bar is that what you have down on your menu. That means it's below everything. This one over here, this is the status bar, and in the status bar you see, 1 second, you see here what you have. The market is green, you have your signals, the VPS is available, it's the server, the virtual server, or your strategy tester what you have on, what's running. You see this over here in this field. That's it from this, and you have also the chart bar. The chart bar is this what you have over here, your symbols: Bitcoin, Bitcoin 4 hours, Australian dollar, CAN dollar, Euro, Swiss franc. This is the charts bar, and you can even select it to show it or not. And when you have it here, you can use it. Just click on the symbol and you will see the charts are different. It's quite easy. Click on it, and when you need it, activate it, and if not, let it be, and you will be fine over here. That's it from that side. And then let's go to the market watch. The market watch is that what you see here. Here are all symbols in. When you have not every symbol that you need available, just click on right mouse and then you can select show all or hide all. I will show this to you. Hide all. Here's not everything in, just a few symbols that you have open here in the charts at the moment. And when you would like to see more, just click on show all, and you have all symbols available that you can trade with Tickmill. It's quite easy, and if you like to make a change in your chart, just click on a symbol, pull it over, and then you have, for example, the Euro, Great Britain, Pound in this chart windows. And if you would like to trade it, I will show you soon how it's important, how it's to do. You can easily make it, but before, just like let us check the other fields over here. You have the market watch. This is important. The data window, just in case that you need some data informations. You see the date, the time, open, high, low, close, the volume, and so on. And it's the information that you can find in one of the candles over here. For example, now where I am now, you see it in this field here. When you change the candle, you see the numbers are changing, and you see the open, high, low, close. Everything you need in one candle, you have it in the data window. That's the data window. And then you have the navigator, and the navigator is interesting for you if you would like to see the accounts, the indicators that you use in the charts, for example, trend, oscillators, volume, and so on. Whatever you need, it's in the navigator windows. You have your scripts, the service, the markets, the signals, everything is available there. When you would like to see it, just go to view and open the navigator, or control N. It's the same one. You see this here, just click on it and it's closed again. So that's it from the view field. Next one is index. Insert is regarding to the charts. That means you can insert everything in the charts. You can insert indicators, you can insert objects, drawing objects, lines, channels, Fibonacci, Elliott wave, and so on. In the expert field, you can input, you can put in expert MACD, for example, or whatever you have here. Just try it. You will not destroy the MetaTrader. Test it and everything is fine. And when you have some scripts for your MetaTrader, just insert here. It's everything you need, you will find here. All right, that's the insert, the indicators and the charts. You have also an indicator list from the charts. Everything you will have in the charts, you will see it here. And for example, in our chart, you see this here. Over there, here's an indicator in. It's a moving average. You see this here, and this one, and here below you have the ADX, and the indicators show you what you have activated in your charts, and you can click on it. You can set some properties, for example the color, make it red, for example, or whatever you'd like to do. You can do this here, or you can delete it. Just click on delete and you see it now. It's not in the chart anymore. Same like here, the average directional movement index here, delete it, and then it's done, and you have it not anymore in your chart. This is the chart window, and the next one is the toolbox. And in the toolbox you find the opportunity to add a new order. You open your strategy tester, agents, and so on. The important thing is for you, if you would like to trade, place a new order. You can click here on new order, or you can use it in the field over here in the chart. You have it here just trading, and then you can put a new order, or you can put on sell limit or buy stop. You can add alerts, and now we switch over to the order, for example. And when you see this field in the chart, you have the symbol over here at the moment, Euro, Great Britain, Pound. You have the type of the order, it's market execution. That means you buy right now. Select your volume. If you would like to do this, select the stop loss and take profit, and then you can do a comment, write it down, you see it in the chart field, and then just select sell by market or buy by market. That means you place the order and you will sell right now to the next price or buy right now to the next price. This is the market order, and you have the opportunity to choose the pending order. And you see here with the pending order, you have different types of orders. That means you have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, and sell stop limit. And here in this chart, for example, we would like to decide as for sell stop. That means we would go short in the Euro, Great Britain, Pound. That means we go to sell stop, and we will place the order, the sell stop order, below here, for example, at 0.5809. It's that what you put in here in the price field, 0.8509. Oh, no, it's 8509. It's the order now, and you can place it right now. It's now a sell stop order, and you can do you can place complete setups. That means when you would like to work with a stop and you say, all right, my stop level is here above the 0.8539, we place just the start here, the stop in, it's what we have here, for example, 0.8540, 0.8540, it's placed, and the next one, for example, is a take profit, and you see here this support level. Maybe it's interesting for you. Yeah, here you have it there. Just place it at maybe 0.8485. Just put it in here, 0.8485, and then it's done for your complete setup with entry, stop, and take profit. And then you have the expiration date. GTC means good till cancelled. You can say it's just valid for today, or you select a day and a time as expiration date, or just a day, and you can say maybe it's just valid until tomorrow, and then you just click on here, set it on tomorrow, and it's done. And then you can place it, and now you have your setup here. You will sell as soon as the price will cross below the 0.8509. You have your stop placed and you have your target placed, and that's it. And when you would like to make any changes, click on one of the lines and remove the whole setup. Or what you can do too is you can click on your left mouse, modify it or delete it, and that's it for placing an order. It's quite easy. You have the opportunity to place the order right now, just a sell limit or whatever you want to do, or to a buy limit. You can work with a complete order setup. It's easy, just the trading section here in this field. That's it for your chart. And the next one that we have here in this field is the section that we have here in this area. You have here your trade, you have the exposure, you have your trading history, you have some news that you can read here. You have your own mailbox, and you have, for example, the calendar. And the calendar is very interesting because if you see here all the upcoming events, you see the priority with one dot until 4 of them, and you see the period, and you see the previews, the forecast, and the actual numbers. That's very, very important to see this, and you can easier to work with news. You know when important news will be released, and that gives you a touch with the markets when you have have to be a bit more interested to have closer stops, or not to trade, or trade direct after the event. You see it here. It's quite easy to say, right? Let's go back to the tools. In the charts, you have everything here. You have the bar chart, you have the candle chart, line chart. You can select the different time frames. You can select the grid if you see the grid or not. Just select this over here in the chart. You can activate the auto scroll and so on. But what you can do here in this menu, you can do it also here in this bar on top of the chart. That means what I've shown you. It's quite easy. Just click on, for example, the different time frames, and you see what you can do here in the monthly, in the hourly, 30 minutes, whatever you would like to do. One thing is important. You have here a field with this this scrolling over here. This is scrolling to the end, and this is scrolling from the right border. That means you see this here. Just select it, and you see the right border here. It's scrolled to the right border, and you have more space to the back side. And when you click here on shift it to the end, that's it. You see here this little arrow over there, and you can shift the chart, and when you click on it, you can pull it a bit to the right hand side, and you will see a bit more of history. That's quite easy that you can do here. You can even zoom it in, zoom it out with plus over here or minus. It's quite self-explaining. You can do this also on your keyboard. Just click plus and minus. It's easy to see here, on and off, smaller and bigger, and that's quite simple what you can do here. So these are the first steps for you to come in touch with the MetaTrader 5. I hope it helped you a bit to make your trading a bit easier to get started. That means from my side, what shall I say now? It's what I say every day to my traders in my morning show. Plan your trade your plan, and you will succeed in trading. From my side, thank you for giving me the time. Always successful trading, and we see us soon. Bye bye.